Hello viewers, in this video I'll be going over the S&P 500 ETF ticker symbol SPY. We are currently around 28 basis points, and on the 1 hour chart we do see the MACD is pointing up and turning positive, and on the 4 hour chart we also have that action on the MACD is beginning to converge up, and on the daily chart I do see the S&P 500 heading higher in the next coming week, and the resistance level to look at is the all-time high that dated back in September 20th. We are very close to that all-time high point, but if we were to reverse and head down, that a good decent support level will be these past resistance, which I now indicate as support, and is fairly close to the 50-day moving average. So if we were to move down, that price movement is only about 3.9% move down. And on the next module, I'll compare this trend that we are currently in with this trend that dated back to June 20th, 2006 to September 14th, 2006. I'll point out why these two charts are similar. So let's start. What we have in the beginning of the trend is candles above the middle Bollinger Band. After that, we have a slight dip below the middle Bollinger Band. Afterward, we continue on higher with the trend and finding support on the middle Bollinger Band right here, and another instance of continuing up channel right here. And next, I'll point out why these two charts and what we have here in the beginning. We had an upper channel that remained above the middle Bollinger Band. Afterward, we saw a dip right below the middle Bollinger Band for a couple of days, and then afterwards it found support in the middle Bollinger Band, and then we continue on higher. Let's just make this more blue, and then we have this upward channel which we see in today's current trend. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 points. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 points that are identical. So if the trends are similar, there's reason to believe the forecast will be similar as well. So let's check the forecast model. I'll go day by day where S&P 500 will head to. So 1 day out, 2 days out, 3 days out, 4 days out, 5 days out, 6 days out, and 7 days out. So in 1 week, the S&P or SPY will be around 18 basis point higher from now. So we may continue this uptrend onto the next coming days and next week. And here's the line graph that I compared it to when I overlapped it. It's fairly similar in the trend pattern and behavior. And that is all. If you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.